What's going on, everyone? Today we are taking another look at the Logitech Zone Wired Earbuds. In a previous video, we unboxed these things and did a product overview to get you familiar with them. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a demonstration of recording audio through them. Then we're going to use the integrated Microsoft Teams functionality, and we will invoke the Teams client using our Teams button. We'll then manage a call with the answer and hang up buttons and demonstrate a little bit of the mute unmute action as well. Let's dig in. Okay, first on deck, we are recording using the built-in mic on the Logitech Zone Wired Earbuds, and we are plugged into the Mac using the USB-C connection. So this is what it sounds like to hear the audio spoken through the mics on board when using the device as a USB-C USB peripheral. Keep in mind, if you want to take advantage of the noise canceling capabilities that are built into the Logitech Zone Wired Earbuds, you will need to use it as a USB device. Obviously, you do not get that benefit if you are to unplug it using only the 3.5mm connection. And now let's demo using the Logitech Zone Wired Earbuds in a Microsoft Teams setting. These are indeed the Microsoft Teams certified SKU of the headset. As a result, they have the Microsoft Teams button right there in the center, that purple lit up button to match the Teams color. We see that it's the phone icon / Teams logo. So right now on our screen, we've got a blank screen. The Microsoft Teams client is running at the bottom, but it is not pulled up on the screen. Let's imagine that we've got 100 different screens we're working on and everything is lost in a big clutter. If we want a really quick, handy way to bring up that Teams client from our certified Teams headset, we'll go ahead and push that purple button once, and it will invoke the Microsoft Teams client, bringing it right to the surface of our screen. So there we go, integration point number 1. Integration point number 2, we have the volume controls on the side of the inline controller. So you'll notice on screen we are pumping the volume up, we are pumping the volume back down. There's your volume control. Next up, we are going to have a Microsoft call come into this account from another account that I'm logged into on my mobile. We'll go ahead and hit the call button. I'm gonna mute this far side. And we see the call come in on the screen here. We now have a white blinking circle in the middle instead of purple. We will click the answer button to answer that call. One click, we're in the call. As you can see, like any other call, we don't have our camera on, the mic is not muted. Now we've got the mute button at the very bottom right here. So we will click the mute button. Boom. The Teams client is now muted. We can see that on screen. And if you look closely at the inline controller, the mute button is lit up red, indicating we are muted. We unmute. There we go. Controller goes back to normal, and we see we're not muted in the Teams client. Finally, when we're finished with our call, we're going to hit that center button one more time, our Teams button, but it's also the answer hang up button, and that will end our call. One push, call is ended, and there you go, Microsoft Teams integration with the certified for Teams Logitech Zone Wired Earbuds. And that's it. We'll keep it short and sweet with a quick demo of recording audio through the Logitech Zone Wired Earbuds and the Microsoft Teams integration, as these earbuds are certified for Microsoft Teams. Please hit that subscribe button below if you have not already. Thank you for watching, and I hope we're going to see you back here for the next product overview.